and welcome back to our channel. If you are joining us for the very first time, you are very much welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video on cooking, you are among my first notified gang. So today we'll be cooking chips masala. So let's go straight to our ingredients. So on to our ingredients of cooking chips masala. We're going to be needing already cooked chips. So here are my chips. We're going to be needing one large tomato cut into smaller pieces, just like this is okay. We're going to be needing some salt. Here's our salt. So we're going to be needing some garlic. I'm using garlic. We're going to be needing red onion. Here is our red onion. Our tomato paste. Our dania. We're going to be using ketchup just to sweeten up things a little bit. And then on to our spices. Now this is greatly depending on your taste buds and what you like. As for me, I used garam masala, I used paprika, and I used black pepper. So the spices is dependent on you, what you like. So let's get started on cooking. So my oil has been heating up and now I'm adding my onions. So the cooking oil should just be enough just to cook the onions. You can see it is not covering the onions, just to fry them. So I'm going to cook until they start turning brown, then I can add my garlic. So my onion is almost starting to get brown, so I'm going to add in my garlic so that it can cook also. Once it is this golden brown, I'm going to add in my spices. So here I added curry powder. I forgot to add in the ingredients, but I am adding it. So all my spices go in: black pepper, paprika, garam masala, and curry powder. So my onions are golden brown. I'm going to add in my tomatoes. You can also blend them or cut them into smaller cubes. So I'm going to let them cook for at least 3 minutes until they soften up. So my tomatoes are now soft. You can see it is separating with the oil, so this means they are cooked. I'm going to add in my tomato paste. I'm going to add in my ketchup. You can use ketchup or tomato sauce, anything that you have. Just doing this to sweeten up my chips masala a little bit. Then I'm going to add in a pinch of salt just to taste. So there is my sauce. It's okay. So now I'm going to add in my chips. Then stir gently so that they can coat well with the sauce. I can tell you the aroma is very nice. Wow, and the color, just what I wanted. Last but not least, we're going to add in our coriander. We need that sweet smell. I'm going to sprinkle in my dania like that and give it a gentle stir, just like that. So that is how I prepared my chips masala. You can see it is looking very colorful and it is very delicious for sure, I can tell you. So thank you guys for watching that video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can get to watch all of our videos, and also don't forget to watch other of my videos. They are just there in my channel. You can just take them. I have like 20 recipes. They are very nice and very easy to try. Thank you so much.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.